Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to schedule text messages on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to schedule your text messages, so let's see how can you do that. So in your iPhone, you haven't any built-in feature in your iMessage to create or schedule the text message, but you can still do that very easily. So you just have to look for shortcuts app in your iPhone. You can directly search it using your search section. Or if you have deleted, you can easily install it using your app store. So once you have installed or opened your shortcuts app, here you just have to select automation. And in automation, just select new automation here. And here you just have to select time of day. If you can't find it, you just have to go for search and just select time of day. Just select time of day option here, and here you just have to select any time. So let's say I'm going to select 6 p.m. from here. So once I've selected time, you just have to select the date. So let's say I'm going to select monthly here, and here just select any date which you want to. So let's say I'm going to select the 1st January from here. So once you have selected, just select run immediately from here. So after setting up this, just tap on the next option in the top right. So now you have selected or set your time. So now you have to set which will be done on the time. So you have to select send message, or you can directly search for send message here. And here you have to set up your message. So just tap on the message option, and you have to set up. Let's say I'm going to select Happy New Year, or you can set up your message on. So once you have set it, write it up your message, just select recipient with which you want to send the message. So the time would select or select from contacts. Just select the recipients which you want. Then tap on an option. Once you have done, just tap on this done option here, and your automation will be set. Now you have successfully scheduled your message. So on the time or the date which you have set it, your message will be automatically sent. So in this way, you can easily schedule your text messages on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.